Greetings, my name is Stephen Day. I teach Algebra 1 here at New West Charter School, and we'd like to start with a few things in this presentation: learning goals, semester 1 review, semester 2 preview, and then our grading policy and patterns. Learning goals for students are for them to transfer their concrete mathematical knowledge to more abstract algebraic thinking. Also for students to use the language of math in their discourse because it develops confidence for them. The third thing is for students to develop fluency in linear equations because linear equations literally thread through the whole course. We find them in our polynomials, in our factoring, we find them in graphs and tables and all the way through the course. So our semester 1 review, looking back, we reviewed basic operations like PEMDAS, we evaluated expressions, we even went back to fractions, and then of course we went into equation solving and then linear inequalities as well. Examples of excellence, well, this is what it's like to be in the class. We have students who participate and they show other students how they did things and they present, and then we have a reward system that goes with that, so we're going to show that in this video. Who wants to go? Who do we got?
So then you do -1x, and then you get 5x minus 1x, and then that's 4x.
Yeah, negative 5. Good job. There you go, Gabrielle. Let's see. As you can see, there's the reward system, which is called Class Dojo, and it allows students to get immediate response for when they do good work. In the next little part, there's interactive slideshows. So you'll see that I can display student work and highlight things that have been going well. So that's another aspect of this class and of technology in general that we're able to access. So a little bit of that here. Showing all the steps is good. Well done. Laying it all out there. Nice work here. Nice and neat. There you go. Good job. Keep going. But here's another good job here, right? Showing all the work. And again, people get rewarded for good work done with Class Dojo. The semester 2 preview includes graphs and functions, systems of equations and inequalities, polynomials and factoring. There's a lot written there that I won't read now, but you can have a look at that afterwards if you like. Our grading policy is more or less the same throughout the schools, slightly different per department, but in the math department, homework is 10%, classwork 10%, participation 10%. There's exams or final exams are 20%, and then any assignments, projects, and quizzes and tests are all within the 50% weighted category. 25% is taken away per day for late work, unless, of course, there's a valid excuse. Some commonalities that we've noticed across the board is that when students have cameras on, they do better. They're more engaged, they ask questions, they get answers, they're able to participate and take part in the class in a way that rarely happens as effectively when people have their cameras off. So if you can support your child in getting their camera on, that would be great. Another fantastic resource that we've had for, well, many centuries is paper, and writing down on paper is a very solid part of our class. We encourage graph paper. In fact, we highly recommend it. If you could get graph paper for your child, that would be great. Thank you very much. You can reach me at sday@newwestcharter.org. You can reach Ms. Perez for any technical issues at aperez@newwestcharter.org. I just want to remind you of our support classes. They are Monday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. and they're Wednesdays at 2:30 p.m. They're mandatory for anybody who has a C or lower. And then other students, they can come anyway. It doesn't matter. It's not just for support. It's also enrichment. So I do encourage you to please come and make sure you're there on time. You sign in, and it's a fantastic resource to have. Great way to get homework done as well. We're going to move on to our live Q&A. So I look forward to seeing you there. And if you have any questions, I encourage you to reach out at any time. Thanks so much.